We have redesigned our popular desk hardware for even greater functionality and compatibility with even more brands of DIY Murphy beds in the market. The desk hardware now features balancing arms made from 16-gauge round tube that support twice the weight compared to our previous design, so you can make a heavier desk or leave heavier objects on your desk when the bed is open. The desk can now support up to 45 pounds when the bed is in use. Also, the desk arm brackets now offer more adjustability, so the desk can be used with a wider range of Murphy beds. Our desk hardware works with all our easy DIY Murphy bed sizes, ranging from twin to king size, both vertical and horizontal styles. For twin horizontal, the depth of the desk cannot be more than 12 inches, otherwise it will extend beyond the footer end of the bed frame. Our easy do-it-yourself Murphy bed desk hardware is also compatible with some other DIY Murphy bed hardware kits and a few ready-made Murphy beds in the market. Murphy wall beds, iSemble. The easy DIY Murphy bed desk hardware also works with some ready-made Murphy beds in the market, such as Murphy wall beds and B-Star. The depth of the desk board depends on the size of the Murphy bed you have. The following desk board measurements will help you to determine the best width or depth for your Murphy bed desk board before you decide to purchase a desk hardware kit. For king, queen, double and twin vertical, the depth of the desk can be up to 24 inches wide. For queen and double horizontal, the depth of the desk can go up to 20 inches wide. For the twin horizontal, the depth of the desk cannot be more than 12 inches, otherwise it will extend beyond the bed frame as shown here. Also, make sure your mattress or the bed frame are not already on the heavy side when you want to add a desk to your Murphy bed. We hope you found this video informative. Please don't forget to subscribe and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.